Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make your cells in Google Sheets automatically expand so your text always fits perfectly, no more awkwardly cut off words or hidden information. If you've ever typed something and found it trailing off under the next column or had important details squished out of sight, this quick tutorial is going to save you a ton of time and make your spreadsheets look way more professional. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make your cells adjust themselves, whether you're dealing with columns or rows. Alright, let's dive right in. First things first, sometimes you might notice that when you type a bit of data, the cell isn't wide enough or tall enough to show all your text. The old school way is to go up to the border between two columns or two rows and drag it out until everything fits. This works, but let's be honest, if you have a big table or you keep adding new content, you could end up spending ages fiddling with those lines. Especially when your data changes often, manually adjusting each time can get frustrating fast. So let's look at the smarter, automatic way. Start by moving your cursor up to the letter at the top of any column you want to resize. For example, say you have a bunch of long names in column B, just hover over the B at the very top, then right-click. It's that simple. When the menu pops up, look for the option that says Resize Column. Go ahead and click that. You'll see a little box appear, giving you a few options. What you want here is Fit to Data. This tells Google Sheets to check all the cells in that column, find out which one is the widest, and then expand the column just enough to make everything visible. It's a huge time saver. Hit OK and watch as your column snaps perfectly into place. No extra space, no hidden text. If you're working with rows, maybe you have cells with lots of notes or comments and not everything is showing up, you can do the exact same thing with rows. Just move your mouse over to the number on the left that represents the row you want to fix. Right-click, choose Resize Row, and you'll get the same set of options. Select Fit to Data and hit OK. Google Sheets will automatically adjust the row's height so anything you've typed in is fully displayed. Sometimes you'll notice a delay if you have a ton of rows or really big chunks of text. Don't worry, that's completely normal. Give it a second and it'll catch up. This Fit to Data option is fantastic when you want your spreadsheet to stay neat and readable, especially if you're sharing it with others or printing it out for a meeting. It's like having Sheets do the housekeeping for you, making sure nothing gets accidentally hidden because a cell was too small. Now I know it can get a little tricky if you have merged cells or really complex formatting, but for most standard uses, like lists, schedules, or budgets, this will keep everything looking sharp. And remember, you can always select multiple columns or rows at once by highlighting them before you write, click and resize so you don't have to repeat the process over and over. And that's it. Now you know how to make your Excel cells, or in this case Google Sheets cells, expand automatically so your text always fits. If you found this tip helpful, be sure to hit the like button and let me know in the comments if you have any other spreadsheet headaches you want me to tackle. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe for more practical tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.